This is after our week and a half road fixing. It tore half the road off. So they're having to replace a bunch of it. New rock, new dirt, all kinds of crap. Anyway, they've got an excavator on top working on it. He's on the good side of the road. He's partially in the grass on the edge of the, what you'd call the dam area. Well, he's got part of his track on it and part of his track off of it. Those are a lot of fun to operate. Where mine and my wife's house is built, I used one of those. Oh, there's my wife, just standing in the picture. Anyway, comes another load of stuff. There goes my dog Bailey. There's my other big dog. There's Missy. Hello, Missy. No, Missy. Yeah. More dirt and rock mix. Don't know what kind, don't care. As long as it holds up on the road. I'm YouTubing. I made a post on Facebook. Fixing the road.
Okay, that's taken care of.
Huh?
Work's taken care of.
What, you gonna be home all day?
I thought it was taken care of.
One of my dogs who stays over here at Mom's. That's Missy. god awful amount of rain we had. Over 10 inches of rain produced within a day or two of non-stop rainstorms. This is what it does to a bridge. It's only got one pipe in it. They say it will handle heavy volumes of rain. I don't know, you be the judge. But 10 inches of rain is quite a bit though. We had in the neighborhood, I think 13. Around 13 inches of rain total for 2 days, non-stop raining. And I'm talking hard rain. Not your light, moderate, average rain. Hard. Hard enough that you can hear it pounding the roof. Over your TV and your normal average house noise. Hard rain. Kind of wondering if they're going to add some asphalt and chat to it too, since it took part of it off. They put like 7 to 8 layers of tar and chat to make asphalt road. And kind of thinking, since it took all of it off in that one area, just wondering if they're going to patch it, redo the whole top, or what they're going to do. Because it took it all the way down to the dirt. And then started eroding the dirt away and the rock away. There's lots of rock in that road. Watched them do it the first time. I mean, they put good bed of rock. And it even took a majority of that away and threw it down in the bottom, away from the road. They actually built the road pretty good. It's just the volume of water, more than what that pipe down there could handle by itself on the amount of rain we got, just overwhelmed it. So anyway, it went over the road, started taking material with it. So that's why they're out here repairing it again, or for the first time. They haven't had to repair anything on it for 3.5 years. At least I believe it's 3.5 years. Thinking that's how long it's been. No, I'm not going to film the whole thing. I think 11 minutes is good enough.